Are you looking for the top 5 best Chanfok Smart Ceiling Fans? How much should you actually spend on a smart ceiling fan? Because some folks are thrilled with the budget options, while others end up disappointed with pricier models. It's a bit interesting, and today we're going to sort through the best Chanfok Smart Ceiling Fans to find out what's really worth your money.
Product number 1. Govee Smart Ceiling Fan. First up is the Govee Smart Ceiling Fan with lights, priced at $189.99. What caught my eye is its unique dual-layer custom lighting feature. If you want a stylish and multifunctional ceiling fan, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features an independent RGB WW main smart ceiling light, plus an RGB IC WW ambient backlight. This means you can create your own lighting atmosphere, whether you need bright light for reading or a cozy glow for movie night. It also boasts a powerful airflow of up to 5,000 CFM while operating quietly at just 30 dB. That's perfect for cooling down your space without the annoying noise. Now, some people complained about occasional communication errors with smart home integration. Here's the thing though, these messages don't impact the fan's performance itself, and most users find its smart features ultimately worth any minor hiccup. This is perfect for you if you want a fan that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional design. It offers great value for a smart ceiling fan with...
Product number 2. Dreo Smart Ceiling Fan with Lights. Next up is the Dreo Smart Ceiling Fan with Lights, priced at $139.95. What really grabbed my attention is its 12 speeds and modes. If you want full control over your comfort, this fan deserves a serious look. The Dreo features a brushless DC motor that enhances ventilation performance with airflow up to 6,000 CFM, making it efficient for both summer and winter use. You can choose from up to 12 different speed levels and 3 wind modes, which gives you plenty of options for any occasion. Plus, it's super quiet at only 22 dB, making it ideal for bedrooms. However, some users found the installation process a bit tricky. I'll be real with you. If you're not handy, it might take a little longer than expected, but once it's up, you'll appreciate how it blends into your decor while providing excellent airflow. This is perfect for you if you want a highly customizable fan that's quiet and efficient. Skip this one if you need something that's instantly easy to install. Overall, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might...
Product number 3. Starin RGB Ceiling Fan. The third product is the Starin RGB Ceiling Fan, which is a budget-friendly option at just $89.99. Its modern, low-profile design caught my eye. If you're looking for style on a budget, this fan is definitely worth considering. The Starin fan offers powerful airflow while doubling as an RGB light fixture. With various RGB cycling modes and a static hue option, you can set the mood for any occasion. Plus, it has 3 color temperatures ranging from 3000K to 6000K, giving you flexibility whether you're reading or relaxing. One downside is that some reviewers mentioned it lacks the same airflow power as higher-end models. But honestly, for smaller spaces or if you're just looking for a stylish accent piece, it's a trade-off that many users are willing to make. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, multifunctional ceiling fan without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something with powerful airflow for larger areas. It's a great value for what you get. Now, if the Starin's airflow concerns you, the next fan is designed specifically for optimal performance.
Product number 4. Dreo 12-Speed Ceiling Fan. Coming in at number 4 is another Dreo product, their 12-speed ceiling fan priced at $169.99. I was impressed with its customization options. If you want precise control over your fan experience, this might be the one for you. It boasts a maximum airflow rating of 3171 CFM, making it a solid performer in larger rooms. The Dreo app allows you to adjust fan speed, set timers, and customize the light settings, giving you total control from your smartphone. It also operates quietly, which is a huge plus for those late-night reading sessions. However, the fan is a bit on the bulkier side for low ceilings, which could be a concern for some. But if you're not dealing with low ceilings, it's a versatile option that delivers excellent performance and style. This is perfect for you if you enjoy smart technology and customized settings. Skip this one if you have low ceilings where clearance is an issue. For the price point, it's quite a good deal for a smart fan. Product number 5. The Drio RGB IC Ceiling Fan. Finally, we have the Drio Smart RGB IC Ceiling Fan, priced at $197.98. What stood out to me is its incredible RGB lighting effects. If you want a fan that's as much about ambiance as it is about airflow, this one's worth checking out. With airflow capabilities reaching 6,490 CFM, it's one of the most powerful options on this list. Plus, the RGB IC lights can display multiple colors simultaneously, creating unique lighting effects to match your mood. You can control everything via the Drio app or voice command, making it incredibly user-friendly. On the downside, a few users noted issues with the remote control's battery life. I get it, it can be frustrating when you're constantly replacing batteries. However, the fan's performance and features often outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you love vibrant lighting and want a quiet, efficient fan. Skip this one if you're not keen on smart features or if you prefer some.
So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Govee Dreo's various models and the stylish Stern fan. Each of these ceiling fans has unique features catering to different needs, whether you prioritize smart tech, style, or just plain performance. Whatever your choice, you can't go wrong with the quality and functionality these fans offer.